Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Gemini on your smartphone. First, make sure your device is running Android 10 or a newer version for full compatibility. Next, head over to the Google Play Store and download the Google Assistant application. Once installed, open the app, and you should see a prompt to switch to Gemini. This initial step is crucial for a smooth transition. After opening the Google Assistant app, you'll find a Get Started button. Tap this to initiate the Gemini activation process. You'll then be prompted to review and accept the terms and conditions, which is a standard procedure. Finally, confirm that you are using the correct Google account for Gemini integration. This ensures all your data and preferences are linked properly. Once Gemini is active, take a moment to personalize your experience. You can easily adjust your preferred voice and language settings to suit your needs. Decide whether to enable or disable personal results, which allows Gemini to access information like your calendar or emails. Also, consider setting up convenient shortcuts for quick access to Gemini, making it even more efficient for daily use. Now that Gemini is set up, you can start using it daily. Simply say "Hey Google" or swipe from the corner of your screen to activate it. Use Gemini to ask questions, set reminders, or even control your smart home devices with simple voice commands. It's designed to make your daily tasks easier and more intuitive. For more great tips and deals, including a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.